x minus 10 is greater than or equal to a negative 9, right? Put it in this box so that we can get it by itself. Remember, whenever you have any and all parts on the outside of the absolute value, you must get that absolute value by itself. All right, so how are we going to get that x by itself, Christopher?
We're going to put a box around the... Oh, I already did that.
How are we going to get the x by itself?
Are you going to add?
Mm-hmm.
Are you going to add the 10?
Uh-huh. What you do on one side?
You got to do the other.
Good job. X down. X is greater than or equal to what?
1.
Oh man, there you go. Now, let's take this absolute value out of the box, right? Let's take it out of the box. So it would be absolute value of x over 6 is greater than or equal to 1, right? How are we going to get rid of the absolute value now? What we going to do?
Multiply it.
How are we going to give it? What we got to do?
Oh, put -1.
-1. We got to put the -1 onto the other side. -1 is greater than or equal to x over 6, which is greater than or equal to 1. Okay? And now we do what?
Multiply.
We multiply. Carlos,
Yeah.
what's our answer?
For that one?
Yeah.
I can't see that far. I'm not even joking.
Come up to that seat right there.
I don't want to. Like, if my mom actually has it, like, I don't want to risk anybody. Like, I'm not even joking.
Okay.
Oh, wait, can I talk to you afterward? Yeah.
Okay. Okay. It's okay. Tristan, what's our answer?
Would it be -6, right?
-6.
Greater than or equal to?
Uh-huh.
And it would just be x.
X, which is
And the same thing.
greater than or equal to what?
6.
There you go. Now, we have it like this. Kusiver. This part right here, 6 is greater than or equal to x. How are we going to rewrite it?
-6.
Flip it.
Oh. X is greater than or equal to negative. Less than or equal to -6.
Yes. Okay? And then this part right here is what? We just bring it down. X is less than or equal to -6, and x is
Less than or equal to 6. Greater than or equal to 6.
greater than or equal to 6. X is greater than or equal to 6. Okay? Keep that part the same. Flip this part in the box, keep that part the same. Okay? So how are we going to write our equation, well, not equation, I'm sorry, but our graph?
It's a closed circle.
Uh-huh.
And then it's 6 and -6 going away from each other.
Closed circle.
Going away from each other.
They're going away from each other. It's the arrows. Look at them. Okay? Any questions, comments, concerns? Carlos, it's okay if you can't see this. That's why I'm recording it. If any of y'all, this is why I record this, and this is also why I have yet to take y'all out of my Google Classroom, okay? If there's anything in this class that you missed, go up there. I put these videos up there daily, all right? Along with extra work. If you need extra work, please go up there, all right? Number, we could just go ahead and skip number 7. Let's get to the hard ones, okay? Number 9. Number 9. Number 9 says 6 times the absolute value of 9x minus 2 plus 7 is greater than 49, right? What must we do?
Must get rid of everything on the variable.
Good job. Let's put this absolute value. Put this absolute value in a box for right now and make it a variable, right? That way, we'll have 6x plus 7 is greater than 49, right? Okay? Let's get that x by itself, all right?
Minus 7.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
All right, subtract the 7s. We have 6x, right? 6x. That's a ugly greater than sign. There we go. 6x is greater than
42.
42. Good job. 42. Divide that 6 to the other side. Boom. Right? Now we have x is greater than what?
7.
7. Okay? X is greater than 7. Let me make this up here. Let me take this out the box now. So now we have absolute value of 9x minus 2 is greater than 7. Right? Take the opposites. Negative 7 is greater than 9x minus 2, which is greater than 7. Okay? Cool? Whew. Y'all already know what to do. Add that 2 to both sides. That cancels out. What's negative 7 plus 2? Negative 5 is greater than 9x, which is greater than, what is 7 plus 2?
9.
9. Divide the 9s. Right? Keep this as a fraction. I do not want any decimals, okay? I do not want any decimals. Miss Burns, I'm talking to you. But good job. Negative 5 over 9 is greater than x, which is greater than, what is 9 divided by 9? 1. Okay? I do not want decimals.
You can't simplify that, right?
No, you can't simplify this. But I had certain people at home who decided to give me decimals.
That's too much work. They be doing the most.
It's okay. Decimal, I mean, they're the same exact thing, but keep it as a fraction. Simplified, okay? This is Algebra 2. I shouldn't necessarily have to tell y'all that you have to simplify a fraction of like 2 over 4. You should know that that's 1/2. You know what I'm saying? I shouldn't have to tell you to simplify 18 over, you know what I'm saying? 18 over 26, okay? I shouldn't have to. What's 18 over 26?
That's 9 over 13.
Good job. I was about to say 13, yeah. 9 over 13, all right? That's the answer. I guarantee you, if I see your answer being, I mean, even though the fraction is correct, but if I see your answer being, I don't know, 10 over 18 right here, and not 5 over 9, it'll be marked wrong, okay? If your answer is a negative 10 over 18 right here and not 5 over 9, it will be marked wrong. I shouldn't have to tell y'all to simplify. And then from here on out, well, you know, flip it. Burton, how will we write it?
X is less than
Uh-huh,
negative 5 over 9.
uh-huh,
Then on the other side, you just drop it down.
pretty much, boom. X is greater than 1.
So, for graphing it, you just like put it somewhere in between -1 and -2.
Yep.
Just kind of guess.
Yeah, so here's how I would like for y'all to do it, right? Because you're given the graph. I give y'all the graph, right? So we have 1 right here. Okay? This is a negative 5 over 9. Okay? So negative 5 over 9, what is that? Is that a 1? No. Alright? That's less than 1. That's like a little over a half, right? That's like 0.6 right there. So, let's say negative 1 is right here. We're going to put our thing right there in the center, just because. And what kind of circle are we going to have over top of it?
Open.
Open. Boom. And this is an open as well. You see how I did that?
And they're just going away from each other.
They are going away from each other. Okay? So, I'm not about to sit here and bite y'all's heads off when it comes to graphing this to where it's looking like, oh, it has to be spot on perfect. No, like that's, even if you had 9 over 5, right? 9 over 5, that's clearly anywhere in between the 1 and the 2. You know what I'm saying? So just put it in the center. Put it in between them. I'm not about to sit here and tell you no. If you look at this, if you look at number 9, you see, if you look at number 9, you see the negative 1 and the 0. Just make your little mark in between it. Just make your little mark in between them, and then just draw your circle and have it go over. All right? Because I guarantee you, on the back for number 9, it has that mark right there in between the negative 1 and the circle. You know what I'm saying? So just make it that way. Make it so. We good? Easy. I mean, even though these equations are quite long, they're not the longest that you'll ever do. Don't worry. Wait till we get to systems of equations.
Oh, I love that one.
Any questions, comments, concerns? Whew! I make this look easy, don't I?